Lenny's Big Sneeze. 5 bumbly buddies buzzed around the flower. 4 bees flew like rockets, but 1 bee had no power. Lenny could not stop sneezing. His eyes were watery and red. He coughed and sniffled and wheezed. He had an ache inside his head. "Are you all right?" asked Caribee. "Seems you should be in bed." Poor Lenny felt so tired. "Allergies," was all he said. Barney stuck out a finger. "Look, I have the cure. Take 5 drops of honey. You'll be good as new, I'm sure." "The thing is," said Henley, "the buddies sort of miss you. We want you to feel better, and, you could use a tissue." Franklin said so cheerfully, "Yes, soon you'll be okay. Take 5 drops of honey, then off we go to play." Lenny took 5 drops to see what it would do. He waited for 5 seconds, then... Achoo! 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 Lenny felt so yucky, he lay down on his bed. He rested there 5 minutes. It helped to clear his head. He had a dream about a thing that cowboys often wear, a Western-style bandana that keeps out dusty air. Lenny found his cowboy hat and other cowboy things. He put on his sheriff's badge and adjusted both his wings. With a cowboy hat on top and a polka-dot bandana, Lenny flew swift and true while humming "Oh, Susanna." "Hey, look! It's Cowboy Lenny! Wow, he can really go! And what a fancy cowboy hat! From the Texas Ranger show." They shot off like tiny rockets and circled twice around the moon. Cowboy Lenny led the team, still humming his favorite tune. How can a bee with allergies go so far and fast? With his polka-dot bandana, Lenny's free to fly at last.